The University of Texas at Austin is a great place to work. The mission of the university is to achieve excellence in the interrelated areas of undergraduate education, graduate education, research, and public service. The purpose of the university is to transform the lives of the people for the benefit of the society. The University of Texas at Austin, founded in 1883, is one of the largest public universities in the United States. What starts here changes the world. Custodial Services cleans with the goal of enhancing the health and general well-being of students, faculty, and staff. We're committed to utilizing sustainable products and processes. Custodial Services at UT uses a special cleaning system called OS1. OS1 is a team cleaning process. Since adopting OS1, we've had fewer customer complaints, increased custodial job satisfaction, and reports a better stewardship of our finances. In an OS1 team, there are 4 different specialists: vacuum, light duty, restroom, and utility specialist. The specialists rotate positions every 3 months, so everyone has a job to do. We work together. We get it done. We change those jobs every 3 months, so no one's stuck doing the same thing forever.
Hi, I'm Sally Moore, Associate Director of Facility Services Division of Custodial Services. We have a big campus. We're responsible for cleaning over 12 million square feet of space. We use a cleaning process called OS1 here on the UT campus. OS1 stands for Operating System 1. We have very specific steps for the custodians that results in efficient cleaning. So rather than having generalists working that do a variety of all the cleaning tasks, the custodians are in specialized roles, and we tend to work from the top of the buildings down. This year we are very pleased that we have won the Mark Reimer's Program of the Year award, so we're very proud about that. Several other universities have visited here and have since adopted the OS1 team cleaning process, partially because they have seen what a success it is here on the UT campus. So we're always happy and invite anybody to come see our operation.
With our specialized cleaning process, training is crucial. UT provides 1 week of paid training. In addition, there's a continued on-the-job training for 6 months after you start. On-the-job training allows your supervisor time to make sure that you've learned all of the skills needed to master your job, and allows you time to ask for all the questions you need to ensure success. There are many benefits to working at UT. Some include paid holidays, paid vacation and sick time, health insurance, life insurance, and various educational benefits. The qualifications for our BA2 are 6 months experience in any of the following fields: custodial, hospitality, warehouse, production, or facilities maintenance, and have demonstrated ability to communicate with supervisors and peer group in a timely and effective manner. You must also have experience using industrial-sized custodial equipment and the ability to read and understand work orders, written instructions, product labels, and instructions and other written job materials. Last, you must have a demonstrated ability and willingness to be an effective team member. This position also requires you to be able to lift or carry and push or pull up to 50 pounds frequently. All positions also require continual walking, carrying a backpack vacuum for up to 8 hours, and the ability to climb stairs and ladders. If selected, you will provide your paperwork for a background check and other documents required. If cleared, you'll be invited to attend our mandatory training. You're now ready to get started with the application process. Should you have any questions at all, please feel free to call us at 512-475-7943. Thank you.